Science is our life. Our research is our passion. Research is the future. Welcome to our lab. We have a global healthcare challenge in our hands today. The way we currently discover and develop new drugs is too expensive, it takes too long, and it fails more often than it succeeds. We need better tools. For years, drug discovery has relied on animal testing to evaluate drug effects on different organs such as the liver, the pancreas, or the muscle. What if we could test drugs in organs grown in the lab using microfluidic chips? In the Biosensors for Bioengineering lab at IBEC, led by Professor Javier Ramon, we engineer and create what we call organs on chips. Cells in these tiny chips interact with one another and reproduce the biology and physiology of the human body. And similar to a blood test or an MRI scan in the hospital, we can check the health status of the tissue grown in the lab using sensitive optical sensors and metabolomic tools. Now, we can test drugs for metabolic diseases like diabetes on liver and pancreas on a chip, or study muscle diseases such as myotonic dystrophy on muscle on a chip. This exciting research can't be done by a single person. We are a multidisciplinary team of biologists, chemists, physicists working together to bring the future of medicine a step closer to reality. And the future of medicine is inside these chips.